Today we're going to demonstrate how to change the light bulb on the Replogle Orion world globe. In order to do this, simply remove the pin from where the meridian and globe are attached at the North Pole. You can also remove the time dial as well once the pin has been removed. Once completed, pull the globe up and off the light kit, which is found inside the globe. This will expose the light bulb, which you can now replace. We suggest replacing the light bulb with a 25 watt Type B bulb or equivalent LED light bulb. Once you have changed the light bulb, place the globe back over the light kit, reposition the meridian over the globe and place the pin through the meridian into the hole on top of the globe to lock it in place. Now you're ready to flip the inline switch and enjoy the illumination feature.